Assalamu alaikum. This is Ms. Shazia. I hope you guys are doing well. For those of you who've been posting on Seesaw, a big thumbs up. For those of you who haven't, please do so. I love looking at all the wonderful work that you've been doing. Also, I will be looking at the Seesaw account through the summer. So if you feel like you're doing fun stuff, ask your parents to post your projects. It's a great space to share. Some of the other students get to watch what you're doing. Your teachers get to see it. So I hope that you guys will continue your creativity through the summer. So today I have a really fun and exciting art project for you. And for this project, we will need some paint. I have these colors at hand. You can use any paint. You'll need a bottle of glue. You will need some scissors, silver glitter. I have a little piece of orange paper. You could use any colorful paper. And you do need a black construction paper. If you don't have black construction paper, take a white sheet of paper, color it black, wait for it to dry, and then start the project. So with that said, we are going to create a solar system today. So I am going to take this black sheet and I'm going to start by dotting it with little dots of glue, okay? These dots of glue are basically, they represent the stars, okay? And I'm going to make little clusters because if you've seen, you know, the solar system has many galaxies, and one of the galaxies is the Milky Way. And the Milky Way has little clusters of stars, you know. So I'm just going to spread out the stars, okay? And I'm doing this first so that the other objects that I create don't get glittered out, okay? Now I'm going to glitter this up really well. I'm going to make sure each of the glue dots catches the glitter, okay? And a great way to do that is to pick up your sheet and then just roll it like this, okay? Just do this many times till every dot of glue catches the glitter, okay? And as you can see, there's very little glitter, loose glitter lying around. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my paint and I'm going to just use my fingers. So I'm going to start by creating the sun. And I am going to take some red as well, because if you've seen my color wheel video, you can red and yellow create a stunning orange. And if you've seen the sun, it is a beautiful orangish yellow. It has such a variety of different colors because it's just hydrogen gases. So let's just be creative and try to create our own version. And I am going to now please have a paper towel handy for this project. I forgot to bring mine, so I'm just using a piece of paper to wipe my hands. Please don't forget to have a paper towel handy, as this is a messy project and I don't want you guys to get all messy. And you will need your fingers to wipe your hands, so keep using do have a paper towel handy. So now that I have more or less a sun ready, I'm gonna just use a little more yellow and now what I'm going to do is I am going to start by creating the planet Mars, okay? So if you know, the solar system has Mars, which is the closest to the sun. I'm going to take a little bit of red. It's called the red planet because it's got red rock formations and it's very close to the sun. So it's a very hot planet. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I am going to create Venus, okay? So you're going to take indigo blue and then you're going to create a Venus. And if I don't know if you guys know, but I listened to this news brief on BBC, and they said that Venus is very much like the Earth in its appearance, except that it is 800 degrees hot, and its atmosphere has explosions all the time, so you can't live on Venus. Now I am going to create the planet Earth, our lovely planet. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix a little bit of white in this, because our planet has water, and if you look at it from a distance, it looks kind of aqua blue. It's very beautiful actually. Now I am going to so Mars, Venus, Earth. Now we're going to do Saturn. So Saturn, if you guys know, is a planet that has these weird kind of gassy rings around it. So it's quite a mysterious planet, and I'm going to use red and brown to kind of mix up the colors of Saturn. And I'm going to take this white and I'm going to just create this band like so. And I'm just going to do that. And then you can see the lines. So there's our Saturn, okay? It's got this gassy atmosphere with these rings. Now I'm going to take, Mars, Venus, Earth, Saturn. Now I'm going to create a Uranus. So we're going to again take brown, and I'm going to just create a little bit of brown, a little bit of red. I'm going to create a Uranus. You know, these planets are very far out. And then I am going to create Neptune, which is also very brown. And then we have the last one, which is teeny, and it's Pluto, okay? So, and I'm gonna just add a little bit of, I think, yellow and brown in this one. I want it to look kind of, you know, these planets have a lot of different shades depending on the way the sun reflects on them. So, there we go. So now that we have our solar system, I am going to create a little rocket ship. I'm going to take a rectangle piece of paper. I'm going to fold it into half. And then I'm making a little rocket, okay? So I'm going to take it like so. And this flap is on this side. And I'm going to just cut it out. And there we have it. There's our little rocket ship. Now I'm going to glue it. And I am going to just place it like this. And I'm going to take some red and yellow paint, and I'm going to just put it at the bottom like so. As you see, when the rocket takes off into the atmosphere, it has all this fuel, this rocket fuel, to make it go surge up into the sky. And you can put a little white and a lot of smoke and flames and all these things come out of it, right? And so we are almost done. Please watch videos of outer space. Watch things about the solar system. I hope you guys will make a way better project than mine. My attempt as a teacher is just to give you guys ideas and a way to execute, like to carry out those ideas, okay? I want to give you ideas and I want to show you this is how you can do it. But ultimately, I want you guys to do it and go be even more creative than me, come up with better ideas than me, and please share on Seesaw, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed this project. I hope you will try it. And until next time, Salam Alaikum.